Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Hieroglyphics. We're back at it. I'm on a Yamaha Striker. A little different from what I normally ride. I just came with my boy to pick up a bike and he wanted me to drive it home. He sold his old bike, which I actually went with him to go get that one too. This thing is nice, it's torquey, big aftermarket front wheel, fat rear tire. It's alright. I would never buy a cruiser though, but the only thing I like about cruisers is the big motor, the torque, and the sound these things make. It's got an aftermarket Vance & Hines exhaust. It's alright, it's clean. It's got 13,000 miles. It's a 2013. Paint's still looking kind of fresh. It's got a few cosmetic issues here and there, but nothing crazy. The throttle's a little sticky, but hey, that's easily fixed. Hopefully it gets me home safe. I always like riding different types of bikes. Doesn't matter what kind of bike it is, I'll ride it. Still would never buy a cruiser. Maybe in the future I'll get a Harley or something, but honestly I doubt that's gonna happen anytime soon. But I do love how these things sound though. You can't get bored of it. You always got torque, you got that aesthetic driving down the road. I like this aftermarket flat bar. Well, actually it's not really flat. It's lower than stock though. A little sportier. I think it's more comfortable too. It brakes good, accelerates good. Front suspension soft. I mean, it's what you expect on a cruiser, right? It's got a little scuff on the brake reservoir, the lever, intake cover. I mean, it's nice for what it is and what he paid for it. 13,788 miles. And let's just say he probably walked away paying $2,500 for this. Not too bad. It does the job, man. I love how these things sound. Cruises pretty well. It's got a nice fat seat on it. Man, I love this exhaust. I'll be honest, with that big wheel that it's got in the front, I thought it was going to ride worse, but it's really not too bad. Maybe on the cornering it's a little weird, but you know, I've never ridden a bike with a big front tire, so. What a nice day. You can tell summer is starting to kick in with that heat. It's nice to have a cruiser to go out on long rides and stuff like that. Maybe something newer with cruise control. It's a nice bike. He got it for a good deal. It's better than that Suzuki Boulevard 800 that he has. Nice little upgrade and more torque. He's a big dude also. He's like 6'2", probably like 300 pounds. I think he's gonna fit this bike way better than the other one. That Vance & Hines exhaust sounds so good. Those pops, man, they don't get old. Whenever anybody hits me up to go ride a bike or pick one up for them, I always say yes. I like trying out different bikes, see how they ride. This video wasn't that long, but thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.